So we are at the Bali Spirit Fest, and this is the Healing Huts area. There are healers from all over the world that are offering their gifts. It ranges from people who are reading palms to Reiki masters, cranial sacral, some massage, sound healing, all sorts of amazing healings, tarot readings, connection with the Akashic records and guides, but there's a really amazing group of people offering their healing work from around the world.
How do people go to the healers?
So it's included in a ticket for Bali Spirit Fest. If you have entrance here, you can come to this healing area, and then you do need to pay extra. They charge. I mean, they're setting up a booth here, and it's pretty affordable rates though, so it's an added thing that people who have a ticket to Bali Spirit Fest can also check out these wonderful healers.
Hi, hello.
I'm offering clear transmissions. It's a very deep energy healing and readings and empowerment mentoring. So very much supporting others in aligning to their true purpose, their soul, their internal wisdom, and for clarity of their purpose and path, relationships, and to be healthy in their physical body. And very much tailored to that individual person and what it is that they need to be shifted and cleared and to feel their highest and fullest potential.
Right? What's the housing price? Right? I'm looking faith. But we seldom check the internal signals, like this one. Right? Please check this. In the center, wow, so it's so loud. And in the center, blood to the heart. Right? Heart is like the mother, right? Giving milk to the baby.
My name is Petra Betz. I'm from Germany, and we are 3 people here. My husband, Hartmut Betz, and Hubert from Austria. We brought this beautiful method, hang up, called to the Bali Spirit Festival.
Oh, is it your first time here, or?
No, it's the 3rd time.
The 3rd time. How do you know about this festival?
Ah, that's a good question. We got it from someone told us to go here, and then we just connect with Mac. And I think, yeah.
What do you think about the festival?
It's amazing. It's a beautiful spot and lovely people and so many ways to get deeper and to release things you don't need anymore, to get clear about life. And just, yeah.
Can you explain a little bit about Hang Up Yoga?
Hang Up is a very kind method to get into inversion with no pressure in the head, very gentle and slowly. And the most yoginis they know, or yogis they know, the purpose about getting into upside down position for the whole system, for the organs, and also it's good to release all things you don't need anymore to express yourself, everything what is happening in your life, like traumas or accidents or crises. It's just stored in the body, and in this is a good way of release this what you hold it on.
Yeah. I see. Well, do you recommend Bali Spirit Festival?
Yes, for sure.
Yay! Thank you so much for sharing.
Welcome.
Yay!
Kneel slightly together. No mudra, just a prayer. Nothing like this and this and this, all fancy. Fancy. So the 3rd great yogic energy is sattva, calm, peaceful, and keyword sustaining energy. Yay! And now. Good, yes, good.
Challenge him, up, down. Yeah, you can move.
Whoa, you guys are good!
Mr. Rocky, you're the teacher, but I supposed to be everyone in the street that looks up to the quick, when I'm not seeing that, you'll see you after the race, I'm not going to be move up your shoulder, move your foot like a roller, make up your feet just like a creature,